Good morning, Anna. How is your project coming along?
I don't know what to do. I have no plans to show.
That's quite a challenge. What do you need for a plant project?
What are we talking about? Can I help too?
Let's think about this together. Who can help us learn about plants?
I know. Let's ask Teacher Cindy to visit our home. Hello, Teacher Cindy. Can you help me with my project?
Of course, Anna. I'll bring some seeds and visit your home today.
Yay! She's coming to help us.
I'll get it. I'll get the door.
Hello, everyone. I brought seeds and everything we need.
Welcome to our home. Thank you so much for coming.
Do you know what plants need to grow? Let's learn together. Plants need soil to live in, water to drink, and sun to make food.
Can we plant a garden right here in our backyard?
That sounds like a great family project. Let's do it together.
Let's go to the garden center and choose our seeds.
Wow, look at all these beautiful flowers and plants.
I want to grow tomatoes and sunflowers. What should we get?
We need soil, pots, seeds, and a watering can too.
Now we have everything we need to start our garden adventure.
Let's put these in the backyard and start planting.
First, we dig small holes for the seeds.
Hello, little seeds. Grow big and strong, please.
Now we water them every day.
The seeds need time to grow. Let's check every day.
Mom, look! This leaf is turning yellow.
Oh no, several plants look sick.
Why are our plants dying? We watered them.
Our poor plants. I'm so sorry we couldn't help you.
It's okay, Anna. We tried our best. We can learn more.
Plants get sick sometimes. We need to find out what's wrong.
Don't worry. I'll bring some books. Let's learn together.
I brought books about plant health. Let's learn why our plants got sick.
Can you show us what's wrong with our plants?
Too much water makes roots rot. Plants need healthy roots to drink.
Oh no, we watered them every day. That's too much.
We need to put plants in fresh soil and water only when it's dry.
Let's save our plants. I want to help.
Carefully take them out. Look at the roots.
Poor roots. They're brown and soft. That's why leaves turned yellow.
Goodbye, bad roots. Hello, healthy new soil.
Now we water just a little, not too much.
Now we wait and watch. Good things take time.
Look, a new green leaf is growing. Our plants are saved.
You worked together and saved your plants. You learned so much.
Look how beautiful our plants grew. They have so many green leaves.
You worked so hard, Anna. Your project is amazing.
Ready to show your work to the class?
I want to see Anna's project too.
This is my project about plants. Let me tell you what I learned. Plants need soil, water, and sun. But too much water makes roots rot.
Anna did an excellent job. Let's clap for her.
We are so proud of you. You learned so much.
Let's have a garden party to celebrate our success.
You worked as a team and learned about nature. That's what matters most.
I love gardening now. Let's plant vegetables next.